by the way, Joshua, nakagawa ka na ba nung article na ipopost sa website?
Oo, Ana, nakagawa na ako, pero hindi ko pa napapublish.
Pwedeng patingin muna kung kala ko ng idea.
Sige, ito. Pero wag mong gagayahin. Mag-iba ka na lang ng topic. Oh, nakapublish na si Brito. Mas nauna pa sa akin. Lo, parang gawa ko to ah. Ano yung pinablish mo? Di ba akin yun?
Kumuha lang naman ako ng idea sa gawa mo. Sa kagawa ko yun.
Anong gawa? Kaya mo pala hinirap at pinicturean yung gawa ko para gayahin mo?
Mga agaw ka rin ba ng hindi iyo? Hala, lagot ka. The Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, also known as the Republic Act No. 8293, protects the intellectual property rights in the Philippines. It covers the copyright, trademark, patents, and other related rights. But how does knowing this law benefits the students? This provides legal protection for their creative rights, ensuring that the innovation of every students are being granted of ownership rights.
Ano pong mga consequences pag na-involve ka sa incident na ganito?
Ang iyong pagkakakulong ay depende sa offense na iyong naigawa at sa violence of law were you involved. Alam mo ba kapag na-involve ka sa copyright infringement, the imprisonment ranges from 1 to 9 years at kapag trademark infringement naman, it ranges from 2 to 5 years. Maaari ka rin maghataw ng financial repercussion due to legal fees and compensation payments.
Mahalagang paalala.
Number 1, use original content.
Number 2, cite sources.
Number 3, credit to the author.
Number 4, ask permission to the owner.
And lastly, educate others. Yun lang. Bye-bye!